Hey everyone, welcome to the video. If you're playing Infinity Kingdom, you really don't want to miss this. I've got something super useful to show you, so stick around and make sure to watch until the end. And if you're into mods and helpful stuff like this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future updates. Today I'm showing you the latest mod for Infinity Kingdom that works on both Android and iOS. This one comes with a built-in mod menu that you can open just by tapping the gear icon on your screen. Inside the menu, the most powerful feature is the ability to instantly max out your gems. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited gems added right to your account. But that's not all. The mod menu has more tools and tweaks that make the game way more fun and easier to progress in. Just make sure you have the latest version of Infinity Kingdom installed before trying this out. That's really important. If you're wondering how to get it working, check the comment I pinned below this video. I've shared everything you need to know right there. Where to go and what to do. All clearly explained. Thanks a lot for watching. If this mod works for you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And don't forget to subscribe if you found this helpful. Again, all the steps and info on how to try this mod are waiting in the pinned comment.